Do you ever wonder what to do with fresh strawberries? Try this refreshing strawberry lemonade sangria and the bonus strawberry sauce recipe. Slice and remove the stems from fresh strawberries. Only slice just a little off the top to remove the stems. No need to cut too aggressively. It's okay if the berries are a little soft. Over medium heat, cook down a little water with your sweet strawberries and bring to a gentle boil. Continue to cook for 10 minutes. Add up to 3/4 cup sugar or maple syrup. If you're using granulated white sugar, add it at the same time as the berries. Cook for another 10 minutes as the berries continue to break down, stirring frequently. Remove the mixture from the heat to cool it. Meanwhile, to get started on your sangria, roll 2 lemons on a board with your palm. This will allow you to squeeze out more lemon juice later. With a blender, food processor, or immersion blender, puree the cooled strawberry sauce and strain out the seeds. This strawberry sauce tastes great on ice cream, oatmeal, yogurt, pancakes, or even cottage cheese. Pour a bottle of chilled white wine into a pitcher or a large mason jar. I'm using Riesling. Add a cup of sauce to the pitcher, slice the lemons in half and squeeze through a mesh strainer or your hand to catch the seeds. Slice the lemons, removing any remaining seeds, and add to the beautiful concoction. Finish it off with 2 shots of your favorite clear liquor, like white rum or vodka. I'm using white rum, and stir well. Seal and store the leftover sauce in the fridge and refrigerate the sangria overnight, if it lasts that long. Serve it up straight with sparkling white wine or even with ginger ale or seltzer water. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make or shake something else.
Food porn.